Let's see your new coat. Wow, is that comfy? Aww. Love you.
Yeah, give me your hug.
Yes.
Daddy, give mommy a hug. Then I say.
Okay, let's
Okay. Have a good day, Victor. Love you. Bye. Have a good bike ride.
'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just...
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you along for kind of a daily routine, like a day in the life of a mom. So my son is just at preschool this morning, so I'm going to kind of go around and tidy the house as usual. You probably already know that's kind of my routine in the mornings. So I'm going to go around and tidy, make the beds, which I already made our bed in here. I just need to do my son's and kind of tidy toys, kitchen, everything like that. I've got some errands to run in town today, so I just kind of wanted to take you along for the day and show you what we get up to. And I am wearing something new today, so I'm going to do a tiny bit of a haul. So I've got a new shirt on. This is by Lilysilk, which you may or may not know I have worked with in the past. Just such nice silk products, and they're such good quality. They feel so nice. Like, obviously they feel really luxury, although on the, I think, more affordable side of luxury, if you know what I mean. So it's not like breaking the bank, but yes, so lovely. So last time, if you watched my previous Lilysilk video, I actually got a I picked a pink, like a very pale pink shirt, and this time I wanted to go with something a bit different, so I went with this navy blue one. How lovely is that? I just really love the color, and it just looks you know, really classy in my opinion. So let me show you the outfit that I've got on today. Yes, so this is what I am wearing today. So I've just got on the shirt, which again is just so soft, and I paired it with some jeans. These are just some simple Levi's jeans, some skinny ones. But yeah, I think it's such a good piece because obviously you can style it up or down depending on the like the occasion or the situation, I guess. So this is how I'm wearing it today, kind of more on the casual side. So I think I'm gonna just throw on this pale pink coat because it is so cold outside. But yeah, I think it goes really nicely with the navy blue. So that's going to be my outfit for today. Yeah, so this part of the video is sponsored by Lilysilk, which I'm so excited to be working with again because I just really loved their products last time. We actually have their silk pillowcases there, which I'm not sure if you can tell, those ones, and we sleep on them every single night. Obviously, I just love them so much because mulberry silk is supposed to have so many great benefits. Like, for example, something that really stood out to me is the fact that it helps with your skincare and with your hair as well, because the pillowcases in particular, they don't absorb moisture, so they keep the skincare on your face rather than absorbing it into the pillowcase, if you know what I mean. So that's really great. And then it's supposed to help prevent breakage in your hair, prevent wrinkles, anything like that. So that sounded really good to me. And then aside from this beautiful shirt, I also picked a couple of other things. So this is a silk sleep mask. How beautiful is that? I got it in a light pink shade. It comes with an adjustable strap at the back. Such a beautiful piece. I feel like something like this would be such a nice Christmas gift. Like, I would love to get something like this because it just feels so luxury, something you can do for yourself or something you can gift to someone to kind of make them feel a bit more special. So yeah, this sleep mask is really cute in my opinion. And then I also got, let me show you these. I got a pack of 4 scrunchies, so like hair ties, and they come in 4 different sizes. as you can see. So some are smaller, some are bigger, and they are all silk, from the silk fabric. I'm not sure if you can tell, but there we go. So nice and soft. And obviously this is supposed to be better for your hair because it's not going to pull so hard on it, and it's also going to help prevent breakage in your hair, which is really great because if you're a mom like me and you wear your hair in like a ponytail or a mom bun all the time, these are supposed to be better for you. And they look so cute. So cute. I just really loved this one, so I'm excited to wear it. And they have kindly given a discount to my subscribers, so you guys get 15% off any of your orders. You can use my code Madeline15 if you want to get any of these goodies. Yeah, so I will link all of these Lilysilk products in the description box for anyone who's interested. Okay, so I just finished upstairs, just kind of making the bed and everything like that. So I'm going to move downstairs now. Yeah, this is the current state of the kitchen, so I just needed to empty out the dishwasher. These are all clean. So I'm going to put those away, and then these are clean as well, and then I'm just going to put these back in the dishwasher and kind of give it a bit of a spray as well.
I'm looking up from my window, sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I get the wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed.
Yeah, so my morning tidy is pretty much done. It's such a beautiful day today. It's kind of like super crisp, like it's cold outside, but it's sunny, so it looks really lovely. I can't wait to go into town and enjoy the sunshine. But before I get to do that, I have to reply to some emails. I've got a bit of kind of work admin stuff to do. We're going to have a little snack. I'm not sure what I'm going to have. I just need to have something to eat because I'm so hungry. It's 9 a.m. It's not even that late, but I'm just hungry because I'm not sure when you're going to watch this video, but this past weekend it was daylight savings here in the UK, so the hours went forward or back, I can't even remember, but the time changed. So my son started waking up at 5 a.m. now, which hasn't been great. So we're trying to adjust to that. It's always a struggle when the time changes. Let me know if it's the same with your little ones. But yeah, we've been up at 5 a.m. this past week. So we woke up at 5 today. I had my breakfast at around 6 because I was already hungry by then. And now it's 9 a.m. and I feel like it's lunchtime for me. Like, I'm not going to have lunch, but I'm going to have maybe, I do have some muffins that I made the other day. So I think I'm going to have one of those and get on with some emails.
Saxophone.
Okay, so just got all the emails done that I needed to get done this morning.
Music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend
Oh my goodness, it is so cold today. I think it was 0 degrees this morning. I think for the first time this year. Yeah, so cold. I have to pull my chair forward because my husband was with the car last, so I always have to pull it way forward because I can't reach the pedals otherwise. So yeah, so cold but so nice because it's sunny outside. So yeah, I'm heading off to home base now. I always like coming and looking at the baskets that they have here.
on repeat, I will break like a twig right under your feet. Don't you say that you didn't want me. You turned me upside down and then you're in my bed and under my skin. Oh, where will it end?
See, they've got all the Christmas bits in there already. Oh, look at these trees, so beautiful. I'll have to come here with Victor. He's going to flip when he sees all of this. Like, oh, he's going to love it. Yeah, not sure if you can see me very well because it's super sunny, but I just finished in home base. They had so many cute Christmas things. I'm excited to come back with Victor at some point. I only got some storage boxes. I got 6 of them, like quite large ones, because we want to organize our garage a bit and just kind of declutter and put some things away in the garage, like for storage. So that's the only thing that I picked in here today. Okay, back home, those are the boxes that I got, like the storage boxes. So I'm going to fill one of them up with the Halloween bits that I took off, and yeah, I'm just going to put those in there, put them in the garage, and just kind of get a bit more work done before I have to go pick up Victor from preschool. Yes, I'm going to do as much as I can before I have to go get him.
Listen, it's such a beautiful sound. Hey, it's alright now, but I don't.
Really high.
Really high. Did you have fun at nursery today?
Yeah.
What did you have for snack time?
I didn't have any snack.
You didn't?
No.
Okay.
Hey now, you know you have to decide and you gotta tell.
Okay, so we are back home from the school run. We stopped at the playground for I think about an hour. He had so much fun. There was another little girl there, so he played with her quite a bit. But now we're home and I am starving, so I'm just going to have some of that sushi. It's just like a Tesco sushi that I got this week in our food shop. So I'm gonna have that, like a really quick lunch. Our lunches are always this, like quick and easy, because it's just so busy throughout the day. So I'm gonna go ahead and have that now. So I'm just going to make another coffee now. I'm going to make one of these. These are the blonde ones by Starbucks, the Nespresso pods. So I'm just going to make that. I've got half a cup of milk because I always have my coffee with lots of milk. Do you guys have milk in your coffee or sugar? I have both milk and sugar. That's how I make my coffee usually. Because yeah, as I mentioned, he woke up at 5 a.m. so I really need another coffee today to get me through. Yeah, I'm just going to have this, and then I think Victor and I will just have some playtime. He's just relaxing now. He's having a snack because he had lunch too, and he's watching a bit of telly. And then I think we'll just have some playtime and I don't know, just relax at home because I'm just feeling really tired today, so I don't feel like we're going to go out. I'm also getting so excited for the holiday season. Like, I know it's, you know, it's still November, but especially if you're like influencing or you're doing YouTube, or you're just a content creator in general, usually you start, you know, working on holiday campaigns earlier. Like, I've already got some holiday campaigns lined up with brands, so I'm so excited about that, and I'm just so excited to decorate. Obviously, I'm going to wait until I think beginning of December, but I do always have to decorate early just because I have all of these shoots to do for brands and things like that. But yeah, so excited. Let me know in the comments below if you're excited for Christmas too. Yeah, gonna go ahead and have my coffee now. What are we playing with?
Legos.
With Legos?
Yeah. You see, I am just getting ready to play with the Lego. In case anyone likes to play with them.
Oh, I would like to play with you. Which one do you want to build?
It looks like there's something that hasn't been built. this line.
Ah, the little tree house.
Yeah, the little tree house
Mm-hmm.
hasn't been built.
Okay, do you want to build it together?
Yep, it's attached together to know that if it's built. It's not
Okay.
already built, it's full of left more pieces.
Okay, so we'll get on with building some Legos then.
Yep.
Oh, I also wanted to show you these books that I got for Victor last week. They're just kind of some activity, like learning books, and they come with these pens. So they're like markers, but they're wipeable ones. So it's really cool because you can just write on here, you know, kind of trace the lines and learn how to write numbers and letters. And then you can just wipe it clean, and it wipes really easily because we have tried it. Wipes really easily, and then you can just do it again. So it's really cool because Victor's been practicing like making these lines and then also drawing the letters. Yeah, I just thought I would share these with you in case any other mamas are looking for things like this, just to kind of practice letters, because he's not starting school yet, just next year in September, but I feel like it's good, you know, good practice, kind of hand-eye coordination and fine motor skills and things like that. So yeah, and I really like that it's wipe clean, so we can reuse these over and over again. They weren't too expensive. I think we got them 2 for 1, and they were £7 both of them or something like that, so it wasn't too expensive. I got them in the Entertainer, but I've heard you can find these in multiple shops, so I will try to link them down below. I'm not sure if I can find them online, but I will try to if I can. So yeah, just thought I would share these. My goodness, I feel like the 5 a.m. wake up is really starting to catch up with me. Like, I was fine all morning, just kind of go and doing all of the things on my to-do list, and now it's kind of hit me. So I'm gonna finish enjoying my coffee and I'm just gonna go play with Victor and just relax for the rest of the day. So I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to check out Lilysilk if you are interested in any products like this. I will link them in the description box. And yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe for more, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.